Hello guys. So this is how to make a hair in Gacha Life 2. First, go to the page 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 6 and select this one on the bottom. Next, on the front hair, go to the page 3 and select this to get one. Select from the bottom. And next, go to the side hair, select from the bottom again. Where is it? Wait, I'm searching it. Wait, I found it. Select from the top and wait, this is page 1, okay? And the hair tip will be, I think that's okay now. And the back hair, wait lang. The back hair, go wait lang. Go to the page 4 and select sa taas, mag-select ka sa taas and if your hair ipaganto mo na lang to look like it's a wavy hair. And ito yung mga iba, paano mo, mga ibang hair. I-show ko sa'yo mga, kung anong direction na pupunta. And also this one, I'm gonna show everything. And I'm gonna show you how to make the eye. And wait a minute, let me search an eye. I think this one is okay, or this one, I think that's okay. But let's just wait. Let me do this. What happened? Reset it. Bro. I think this is not okay. Bro, this is not okay. Let me reset it all. But what happened to this one? I just reset this. Minus down. And that color is perfect. And anything color with your hair, but make it beautiful. And next, go to the wait, di ko pa sinabi yung eye. So yung eye, select page 7 and select this eye. And the pupils will be wait lang. Go to page 1 and select at the top here. And now where is it? Bro, let me color this. Bro, an ad again. Are you kidding me? An ad again? Wait, let me color this. I can't see this. Oh, it's there. Found it. The trim will be this one, and the shade will be light purple, and the outline will be dark purple. Any color you like, guys. Wait, let me move this here so it looks like that you're moving it. And let's move this one. Wait a minute, what happened to this one? Okay, so put it here and the next one here. I don't know what happened to this eye. Bro, I'm literally moving it. So let's just move this down. What is going on? Bro, literally. I think we should do like this. And next, the eye here, kailangan mo ipapatingin sa'yo. Tapos yan, tapos beautiful eyes. Tas yung pupils, make it beautiful too. And select page 3 here. And anything color you want, but I like that color already. And next, let's go to the face 2. The eye highlight will be this color in mine, and this one ayoko talaga. So this one babaliktad ko na kahit anong gusto nyo. How am I gonna baliktad this now? So put this here, and the right eyebrow will be moving here, and put this in like the right place from the left, same thing as there. And the mouth will be something that maybe this one, so maybe it's looking at you, but I don't know, to make it beautiful. So put it here, and okay, and let's make the nose. Pindutin mo, wait, not that, but not that. Pindutin, you can pindutin natin to sa page 1, and sa taas yun na. And the ano natin, i-backward natin. Tapos punta dyan. And yung hair and face is done. Bye! Ilang minutes?